Hi, my name's Chloe and I'm here to learn a little bit more about family first aid. And with me is Daryl, who's a trainer with the St John Ambulance. We'll be learning how you can prepare to treat minor burns, scalds, cuts and stings, the kind of injuries that your children can pick up while playing at home or outdoors. Remember, if it is a serious injury, you should dial 999. First of all, Daryl, a big concern for mums and dads is how to treat a minor burn. Now, I've heard that running it under a cold tap is a good idea, is that true?
Yes, the cold running water cools the burn down very quickly. It's important though that you keep the affected part under the running water for 10 minutes to help relieve the pain.
Really, as long as that?
Yeah, it's longer than what people may think. However, if you're out and about and there's no cold running water, then ideally you could use milk or any other cold drink to cool the burn down. Then if it needs dressing, choose a non-adherent one that won't stick to the burn. Dressings can help prevent infection. Boots sells fast-acting dressings, but can also use kitchen film or a clean plastic bag to help dress minor burns.
Now, is there anything that you shouldn't do when treating a burn?
Yes, don't burst blisters and don't apply any plasters to burns as they may damage the skin.
Now, falling over and bumping into things is a very common part of childhood, but if you do get a minor cut, what should you do?
First, you need to clean the wound. You can use water or alcohol-free sterile wipes, then put a plaster on. If it's a particularly bad bruise, you may want to apply a cold compress to help reduce swelling. But you can also use something out of the freezer, such as a bag of frozen peas. Make sure you wrap it in a towel though, so that it's not directly in contact with the skin. You can also use a flannel that's been soaked in cold water, then apply firm pressure over the bruise.
Now, painful bites and stings can be upsetting for little ones. How can parents help them?
If it's a bee sting and the sting is still embedded in the arm or leg, we can actually scrape the sting away using the edge of a credit card or a fingernail. However, with both wasp and bee stings, we do need to apply a cold compress firmly.
Parents might be tempted to use tweezers.
Tweezers may actually aggravate the sting and make things a little worse.
Now, children are prone to putting things in their mouths, but what can parents do if they notice their child's choking?
It's very important to stay calm. If they are still breathing, ask them to cough, because this may well remove the obstruction. Look in their mouths and see if you can see any obvious obstruction. If your child cannot speak or stops breathing, we carry out what are called back blows. This is how we do them. The infant's still choking, we need to deliver up to 5 back blows. Lay the infant across the forearm, making sure that you support the back and the head. We're then going to use the heel of the hand and deliver the blow sharply between the infant's shoulder blades up to 5 times. Bang, 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 bang. The obstruction is cleared as a result of the back blows, then with no need to go any further. However, the infant's still choking, place the infant on a firm surface, quickly check inside the mouth, removing any obvious obstructions using the fingertips if necessary. If choking still persists, we're then going to deliver what we call chest thrust. Place 2 fingers in the centre of the chest, we're going to press down quite vigorously up to 5 times. Obviously, if the thrusts relieve the choking, that's great. If not, repeat the steps, back blows and chest thrusts. If necessary, take the baby with you to the phone and call 999.
Thanks for all that invaluable advice, Daryl. Finally, I'm guessing that having a good first aid kit to hand is important just in case?
Yes, a good first aid kit is great to have at hand. You can get large ones to keep around the house and smaller ones you can fit in your bag when you're out and about.
Some great tips there, Daryl, thank you. And remember, for more tips and advice, simply visit www.bootsparentingclub.com.